Hello,
Hi.
how are you today? Today we have an experiment, okay, which is very cool, okay? This is called flour, okay? When we set it on fire, it will not burn. Why is that? Because we have the fire triangle, okay? The fire triangle says to us, the fire triangle says that fire, to have a combustion, we need to have heat, oxygen, and fuel. Okay? When we set this on fire, it will not burn.
It's burning.
No, it's not burning.
It's black.
You see? Yes, it's black, but it's not burning. It's and now it will stop. Why? Because there is not enough oxygen to burn. You see?
Can I give it
But
oxygen?
how to give it oxygen? We're gonna go outside. Okay, we're gonna put corn flour here and set it on fire. Whenever the corn flour spreads into the air, there will be enough oxygen to have a combustion, to have a fire.
Yes.
Okay? Yalla, let's go outside. Okay, so to do this experiment, we need to have safety precautions, eye gloves and fire extinguisher. Okay? Yalla. We're gonna start it one more time.